Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Dad Jokes, which is another retiring stamp set, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Dad Jokes, and this one's retiring, so go ahead and get your hands on it now. We're going to be using the scissors and the haircut. No, I got them all cut. And Happy Father's Day and Good One, Dad. So we'll start with our stamping. I have a piece of Very Vanilla and it measures 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. And we're going to be using Night of Navy and Tranquil Tide. So I think I want some Night of Navy scissors right here and right here in the corner. And then, Dad, did you get a haircut? And Tranquil Tide. And then Night of Navy. No, I got them all cut. And then Good One, Dad. And Tranquil Tide. And then I also have a piece of Very Vanilla, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to ink that up in Tranquil Tide, and that says Happy Father's Day. So that is all the stamping that we are doing. And we can start putting this card together. And I have some buttons from the True Gentleman button collection. And I just have the smallest ones. And I'm just going to put them on the glue dot. And then I'm going to take them right back off. Put them down like that. And then I have a piece of Night of Navy, and this measures 4 1/2 by 3. All right, and I'm just going to put this down with some snail. And I probably should have put the buttons on afterwards, but it's okay. All right. And then I have a piece of the True Gentleman, and this measures 5 by 3 3/4. And then a piece of Night of Navy, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to put this down. Just like that. And then my card base is Tranquil Tide, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and it's scored at 4 1/4. Okay, so off camera I re-stamped it because I had stamped it in the wrong direction. And then we are going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so just like that, here is a quick and easy Father's Day card. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!